Manufacturing is evolving quickly. Automation and robotics is replacing production workers and driving companies to hire highly skilled technicians who have the knowledge to install, control, and maintain automation. There's never been a better time to consider a career in advanced manufacturing. The CAP program follows a work-learn format that offers students the opportunity to earn an associate's degree in automation and manufacturing technology while completing a nationally certified paid apprenticeship or internship.
Jake Robinette, I graduated from the CAP program in 2016. I worked in the industry for a few years, 4 or 5 years, and then I started teaching in the CAP program as a full-time instructor. I incorporate projects that require students to work in teams to solve specific maintenance challenges. This not only fosters collaboration, but also stimulates the dynamics of the workplace.
Well, the ideal CAP candidate for Vincennes University Jasper is somebody who understands that the book portion is really important, but really they're looking to get some of that hands-on experience.
So I graduated high school in 2016 and immediately went into that CAP program. Started my internship here at Kimball Electronics, continued my internship through here, worked those 2 years, got all this experience and hands-on experience, especially here in the building itself, while learning all the other side of things at the college. So when the 2 years was finished, Kimball was able to offer me a full-time position.
Currently, the CAP program partners with 16 local manufacturing companies to provide real-world paid internship experiences.
My favorite part personally about the internship, it's paid. You're able to pay off your schooling while you're working, so it's not as tough when you get out.
I was essentially doomed to work on the production line or some sort of unskilled labor for the rest of my life. Both the CAP program and Jasper Engines have given me hope for a better future.
So the CAP program's done a really good job giving us a pipeline of future maintenance technicians, process technicians. Done really good with having kids come in with some knowledge, getting knowledge from school, but then also willing to learn and ready to learn more here on the job.
The CAP program and local industry is looking for students who want to work with their hands. Students who want to be challenged within an electrical and mechanical skill set. Students who want to become expert troubleshooters. Projections continue to show a significant gap in the number of students choosing this type of career. This is driving up wages and providing local and global opportunities for men and women in skilled trades to make a living that we can all be proud of.